I'm Nina Burlingame, the Events and Marketing Coordinator, and I am bringing you to Commons Park today. We are located behind Angola Middle School and between Cameron Hospital, just moments away from the downtown area in Angola. You can spend the day here with your kids, playing on the playground. Someone can play soccer, basketball, and there's many things to do down here. So right now we are walking by Selman Pavilion's playground, which is more private for events. And to your left we have the 18-hole disc golf course. We're walking up to the trail. This trail leads from the middle school all the way to Pokagon if you're very interested. We are going to be rounding the corner into our softball diamonds. There are 3 down here. You'll also see our dog park. People can come and play, and it's the only place in Angola where you don't have to have your dog on a leash. We have Friendship Playground, which is considered the castle playground. You can bring your little kids here, have them play on the playground, while your older kids play volleyball or pickleball, basketball, whatever you choose. Here we have our new-ish basketball courts. They were redone in 2018. We have top-of-the-line hoops and baskets, and they're adjustable. If you come with your kids, we can unlock them for you. Commons Park is very close to downtown. It's a walkable distance if you'd like to grab something to eat while you're out and about.